Aishwarya Anand is a professional singer. She is a vocal coach with RTM Academy. She has done a lot of playbacks with Radhakrishan and Love Kush on TV, and she's done a whole lot of international shows. Everybody, all your fans are here. Hi Ash,
Hi
hi Ash.
everyone. Hello.
Okay, and all the detailed profiles of all our mentors are on our website, theparadigmshift.co. So you can go have a look at all their achievements and all the awards and all their qualifications, and they're there. You can book an appointment with them. So, Ash, how are you this evening?
I am very well. First of all, congratulations on completing 100 episodes and completing a year. And it's absolutely incredible, seeing what you have built. I know how you started, and I have seen you building it piece by piece. So it's incredible. Thank you very much for, making me a part of your journey.
Thank you so much. Ash, so since all your Ash is the best, Mega Shakti says Ash, Aishwarya is the
Thank
best.
you,
Okay.
everyone.
So, Ash, since it is celebration and you're always in our celebrations and you do this, so can we request you to sing a song which is befitting this moment, and you could, then we can talk about the paradigm shift and everything. And
Definitely,
okay, sorry,
definitely.
before this, sorry. Ash teaches music as therapy on our paradigm shift, and that is why she's a mentor on our platform.
Yes. Okay, so I can think of one very beautiful song, Mitwa, that I would like to sing, and yeah, then we'll talk about it.
Okay. All right.
Hello, I'm sorry there
Yes,
was
yes.
a glitch.
Yeah, yeah. So I told them that before she moves on to another one, because she's always so busy and she takes out time for us. Should we get on to the song, and then you can explain the whole analogy.
Yes, yes, okay. मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा ये खुद से तो ना तू छुपा
Wow, that is beautiful. So I didn't even listen to the words, okay, because I was like mesmerized by the way you were singing it. So what were you going
Thank you.
to, why did you choose this song? Tell us, why did you choose this song?
So the song is, very, very important to me. I really love this song because it has such deep meaning. It's a very meaningful song. And, it talks about how every time, in our life, like all the time, we are looking for something, we are seeking something. But what we really need to seek is within us, because हमारा मन बहुत चंचल होता है. It keeps looking for more things, and we want to like always look for more things in our life, but whatever we are seeking is within us, and so that for that we should always look within, and that is what even meditation teaches us, that be mindful of your thoughts, be empathetic towards the other people, and that is how we should be. Yes.
Wow, that is so beautiful. I loved how you connected both these things. There is a little disturbance, I think, some kind of
I don't
disturbance.
know why.
Okay, okay. So this is beautiful. So as I know you're big on meditation, would you like to leave our viewers with some kind of a simple tip that they will that will help people to can de-stress or totally like get into a
Right.
different world at one time.
Yes. So, music therapy, has been proven to be very helpful for, patients dealing with depression or anxiety, or, especially people our age, who have so much competition in their life and so much, that they have to do, right? So, for that, I think a lot of times even I get those negative thoughts. Even I think, am I good enough? Or I have all those negative thoughts because we tend to think in a certain negative pattern a lot of times, right? So
Right.
when that happens, what I do is I first of all disidentify myself from that thought. I tell myself that okay, this is just a thought and it's not a reality, right? And after that, I turn on my tanpura and I chant Om for 5 to 10 minutes, and everything becomes beautiful after that. All
Wow,
are good. So I
that is
think that is what.
amazing.
Yeah, and one more thing that I do is every morning when I wake up, I instead of looking at my phone or Instagram or Facebook, what I do is I try to take out 10 minutes for myself where I meditate, and I say these positive affirmations to myself, and I am very productive throughout the day whenever I do that. So that is
Nice.
one thing that I would like to share with my with the audience, that that is something that they can also follow and inculcate in their morning routine. So yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. So everybody that wants to connect with Aishwarya Anand as talk therapy, music therapy, she's on our website, on our platform, www.theparadigmshift.co, and you guys can go there and seek her appointment, and we can, you can learn more stuff from her.